to the Brickley Collection. Not a Jonathan Taylor auto and patch from his rookie year. Rush, one of the best bands of all time. Elizabeth Montgomery, Bewitched, The Goddess, Brooke Burke, and Heidi Montag. Autos. As we continue to travel the collection. How you doing? Subscribe if you can. What will tomorrow bring?